In this video, I hope to show you how to remove dark spots and black spots on your iPhone display. It is very simple. First of all, you can remove the display. You can remove each connections under the metallic plates. You can remove them. It is very simple and smooth process. You can remove it just like this. Now you can see internal parts and internal metallic cover. It should be removed using nail remover. It is very simple and smooth process. After completion of that, you can remove internal parts. It means some gadgets and circuits parts just like this. You can remove them carefully because we need only display. You can separate display from another parts of your iPhone. You can do it just like this. It is very simple and smooth process. If this process is very fast, you can reduce playback speed of this video. You can carefully study this lesson. I hope to show you them in step by step. It is very simple process. Don't worry. I hope to remove and separate the glass using thin metallic cable just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can see glue coat. I hope to remove them using glue remover. In this video, I hope to show you this process just like this. You can carefully remove previously insert glue just like this. It is very simple process, smooth process. Now I hope to reattach the display because I don't know this is working or not working again. You can see dark spots on this iPhone display. I hope to show you how to remove them. Now I hope to insert it into the laminator machine about 20 minutes. This is automatic machine. It will stop in 30 minutes or 20 minutes. After completion of that, I hope to recheck my display. I think it is not fixed because it should be done several cycles. I hope to reinsert previously done process. I hope to do it again and again several times. It means several cycles. After completion of that, I can see, and after doing this, you can see dark spots has been removed. I hope to clean the display because this display cannot connect into your iPhone because glass and complex unit should be connected. Therefore, I hope to clean the display before inserting, and I hope to check the display again because it is working. Now I hope to insert this cleaned and treated display into the dummy and die. I hope to clean it again and again. Don't worry because it should be removed impurities, and I hope to insert new glass and new cover just like this because it should be set to the dummy and laminated machine. I hope to do this process and pressing process using a laminator machine, flatbed laminator, about 30 minutes. Don't worry. After completion of laminating process, I hope to turn off the machine. I hope to get it and I hope to connect it just like this. You can see connecting process because this is testing process because I hope to check display compatibility after treating because logo is loading, Apple logo is loading, and I hope to touch here and there and each nook and corner for working process and testing process.